In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor on your iOS device without a computer and for the latest version of iOS. So basically this method involves using Side Installer, which is used for Side Store, and with this method you guys do not even need a computer and it will be revoke free since you can re-sign your apps every 7 days with your phone. And you do not even need a computer for the initial setup. So to get Side Store on your iOS device, I've already made a video. I'll leave it in the top right for the full detailed guide, but I'll just quickly skim over it right now. You're gonna go to this website. I'll leave it in the description down below. You guys are gonna install the DNS profile, and then you guys are going to accept the terms and service here. Download any one of these apps here. So there are a bunch of install links here, and just keep trying until you find one that works. And then obviously you're gonna trust the certificate by going into settings, going down to general, scrolling down to VPN and device management, and finding the actual certificate. And once you guys have trusted the certificate and restarted, just go into the app store and search up local dev VPN, and then obviously install it. Click on open here and make sure that you guys do allow VPN configurations, and just click on connect once you guys are done. And the last thing is just make sure that you guys have developer mode turned on. You guys can go into settings for that, scroll all the way down until you guys see privacy and security, scroll down until you guys see developer mode here, and just make sure that it is on. And then you're going to go into the Side Installer app, follow all the steps to install it, and you guys will end off with Side Store. And then once you guys do get Side Store, obviously just log in, and what you need to do after that is go into settings and delete the DNS profile that you originally downloaded on the website. So this DNS profile over here, just make sure that you guys do delete it. So now what we're gonna do is just go to this website here, and this is essentially where you guys can get the IPA file here. So you guys are gonna click on get link, and then I will leave the link for this in the description down below as well for this download link. Just click on watch ads and then click on continue. Just click on open, and then you guys will be redirected to this Google Drive link. Just click on download here, click download, and now your IPA file will be downloading. And once it has downloaded, just go into Side Store here, go into my apps, click on the plus icon here, and just locate the new Delta file that you guys installed. So I just installed it here. I'll click on that here, and then just let it install. And as you guys can see, Delta has now been sideloaded on my iOS device. Again, make sure that your local dev VPN is in fact on. And now you guys can go to your home screen and open up Delta here, and everything will work just like it is intended to. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.